Hi, this is a simulation of a legitimate class that I hope to teach. Um, this is from March 30th. First thing we did was we talked greetings, tried to share people's experiences of the coronavirus situation. We did some mindfulness, as we always do. We talked about administrative tasks, and then I took a look at pretty mundane slideshow about World War I. This is our mindfulness screen. This is our different aspects of World War I that this series will be looking at. The focus of Monday's presentation, March 30th, was causes of World War I. The first one being imperialism. So we went back and talked about what we already knew about imperialism. Then we expanded it to European imperialism. Talked about militarism. And that's as far as we got on Monday. The next day, Tuesday, we talked some more about just getting organized and did a few other things.